Yeah, so John, even though it's not 100% confirmed, but it's pretty clear Biden might win, please tell us what effects will this have on the US economy, especially since we help Canadians invest in the US?
Yeah, I think you may see kind of a shift. I think some of that's been happening. The markets did expect to be more of a blue wave, so that's interesting. That doesn't look like that's going to happen. But I think you've seen some softening, at least for a while, in terms of tech stocks. So I would say that President Trump plays better with tech, whereas the former Vice President Biden plays better with value stocks. So it'll be interesting to see who takes this lead and how that plays out, but things do shift. So you're definitely going to see probably more muted now, but tax increases, which I've been saying for a long time, have been way too low. And by the way, seeing as you guys have the perspective, unlike most of us, of being in different countries, you might go look at the happiness index. And what blows my mind is the US of A, with our experience and prominence on everything. We think we're so fortunate. Well, on the happiness index, we rank like 18th. And by the way, Canada, if I'm not mistaken, is 11th. And the top five are Nordic countries.
Yes.
So it seems as though the people who pay the higher taxes and feel that they're getting something for their money are happier than the ones who've been told, oh, pay the lowest taxes, pay the lowest taxes. But let's understand, that leaves your infrastructure at risk. It means your healthcare system is not as good as it could have been. It means that your educational system isn't as good. And one of the things I talked to some folks who migrated from the US, both PhDs, to Norway, they said, we know we pay more taxes, but you know what? We file and we are done. We do not need a CPA. It's so simple. When we want to take the family, it's not like going to Disneyland. We have to hawk the house to get enough money to pay the tickets and feed the people, and then you're whooped. No, we take the subway. It's free, it's clean, it's safe. And then we get to the park and it doesn't cost us an arm and a leg to get into the park. We like life like that. So some of the things I think has to happen is that we really reevaluate what's important to us, change some, or at least look at some of our priorities, as opposed to accept some of the, I'm sorry, pablum that we've been fed, and we just suck it up because that's what they're saying. Paying lower taxes is the best thing ever. Maybe, maybe not. But notice that, as again, we're 18th out of 155 countries. We're barely in the top 20.